Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make butter like Amul at home, updated. Start with high-fat fresh cream chilled overnight, then whip until solids separate and buttermilk forms. Drain, rinse, and knead the butter under cold water until clear runoff appears. Add salt if desired, shape, and store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for optimal texture and flavor. Begin by placing high-fat cream in a chilled bowl and beat steadily until curds form and buttermilk separates. Strain the liquid and press the curds to expel excess buttermilk, then rinse under cold water while pressing and folding to tighten the butter. Work quickly to avoid melting, add a pinch of salt if desired, and mold the butter into a block or roll for easy storage and slicing. Hey everyone, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, recipe help, and a playful kitchen soundtrack that makes churning butter oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Watch temperature closely. Slightly warmer butter spreads easily but may lose firmness, while colder butter holds shape better. Control moisture by pressing and rinsing until runoff is clear to extend shelf life. Adjust salt to taste and experiment with cultured cream for tangy notes. This mimics commercial fermentations without special equipment. Store wrapped airtight and use within reasonable time for best freshness and flavor consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.